Five Ginseng Brothers. Written and illustrated by Kyang-kyul. 고래뱃속. Once upon a time, deep in the mountains of Geumsan. So deep, you had to cross 12 winding ridges. There lived the kind and warm-hearted Five Ginseng Brothers. The Five Ginseng Brothers would head to the steamy hot spring at dawn, long before anyone else came to the mountain, and enjoy a refreshing soak. But one day, a stooped old granny who was up before dawn came to gather wild greens when she spotted the Five Ginseng Brothers. At Granny's house, jujubes, ginger, angelica root, cinnamon, and white peonies were spread out to dry. All of them lay in neat rows, slowly drying. The Five Ginseng Brothers were laid down right next to them. Day by day, the Five Ginseng Brothers dried out more, and their skin grew rough. Then, one misty morning, steam began to rise from somewhere. A sweet, mysterious scent woke the sleeping Five Ginseng Brothers. They followed the smell and found a huge iron pot boiling with hot water.
Wait, aren't those herbs in there?
The Five Ginseng Brothers, as if enchanted, leaped into the water. As time passed, their wrinkled bodies became plump and shiny again. It felt just like being back in the Geumsan hot spring. From that day on, the Five Ginseng Brothers began their secret hot spring life. Meanwhile, Granny used the bathwater for cooking rice, washing her face, and drinking, and she began to grow healthier by the day. But one early morning, Granny couldn't sleep and caught the Five Ginseng Brothers at their secret spa.
Good heavens!
At last, Granny understood the secret behind her good health. Word spread far and wide, and soon, sick people from the village came hoping for ginseng soup. But the Five Ginseng Brothers grew tired, boiling soup day and night for 100 days. Their bodies all soft and mushy. The Five Ginseng Brothers longed for home. That very night, friends who had heard the rumors from deep within Geumsan came quietly to visit them. At dawn the next day, the Five Ginseng Brothers left with their friends for the faraway mountains. A place so deep, no one knew where it was. Since then, the mist from that place is said to heal the sick just by its scent. Of course, no one around me has ever smelled it. Not yet, anyway.